Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi to all of you. Today's our topic is nutrition. Dear students, you know that living organisms need energy to perform different activities. This energy that we need comes from the food we take in. We take in and utilize it. Food is any substance Food is any substance that we take and utilize to give us energy. Food contains nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, and minerals. Water is also used. Water is also used by some living organisms as a food. So we can say that nutrition is intake and utilization of nutrients also. Nutrition is of two types. Number one, autotrophic. Nutrition, and number two, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food by consuming inorganic material like carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight. So, green plants show the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic, those organisms or green plants which show the autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs. Some bacteria also show this mode of nutrition. Number two, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. This is their type of nutrition in which the organisms do not prepare their own food and depend upon the other organisms. All animals show this mode of nutrition, that is heterotrophic mode of nutrition, and the organisms we show the heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called heterotrophs. These are called autotrophs and these are called heterotrophs. Now, heterotrophic mode of nutrition is of three types, or has it is three. Number one, saprophytic or saprotrophic. Number two, parasitic. And number three, holozoic. In saprotrophic mode of nutrition, In saprotrophic mode of nutrition, the organisms derive their food from decaying material or rotten material. This decaying material, whether it is of plants or animals, thus fungi and bacteria. Some bacteria show this type of nutrition. Number 2, parasitic nutrition. In this type of nutrition, the organism derives its food from a living body. This living body where from this organism derives food is called host, and this organism is called parasite. These parasites are animals as well as plants. We see roundworms, tapeworms, ticks, lice, cuscuta, etc. These are all parasites and show the parasitic mode of nutrition. In this type of nutrition, the parasite damages the host but not kills. Number 3 is holozoic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, the organism takes complex food. And synthesizes it by the different processes. All animals, including human beings, show the holozoic mode of nutrition.